That's a Nelson's Fireworks. Nelson's Fireworks. How do you get in here?
Station is on the right. I think we got through the back.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're here at Nelson's Fireworks, and we're checking out their supply inventories here, their supplies. Yesterday we were at Palmer's, and the other stand. This is an actual outlet, guys. Well, I'm gonna show you guys around. We got a bunch of 500 grammars here. We got some single shot tubes or racks. Pretty good selection here, guys. Prices look good. Got a bunch of, here's our little, your singles here. Damn. Hey, babe.
Daddy? What are these for? Daddy, what are these for?
Oh, do not grab them, boys. Yeah. All right, so let me show you guys. Well, they got an assortment area. Huh? You don't be in here in this video? Ooh, this looks like a nice one. This one's called Firefight, 20 shots. You want to film for me, guys, while I look around? Alright, guys, well, I'll show you guys more of the video later. I'll show you guys more of the store, and I'm gonna do some shopping.